Damn, these are nice. What are these guys? Oh shoot, man. They have the same wheels. Okay, so 30% off, 0 down, no interest. 30% off, 0 down, no credit check? This is amazing. Let me call these guys, see what they're saying, man. 647 748 tire. So that would be 8473. All right.
Where we try harder. Please listen to the following menu carefully, as our menu has recently changed. For our Toronto location, press 1. For our Barrie location, press 2. For our Brampton location, press 3. For our accounts department, press 4. Please hold while I try to connect you.
Tire shopping can turn it. Good afternoon, Limitless Tire, Alex speaking.
Hey man, I just saw your posts on Instagram. You guys sell some wheels and stuff like that.
That's correct.
And you guys do financing as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I saw that you guys don't do any credit checks, and then there's 0 down. That's cool, right?
Of course, yeah.
All right, beautiful, man. So, how does this work? Like, what's the next step?
First things first, just come on into our North York location.
Okay.
You can bring in your driver's license, your ownership, your insurance.
Okay. Okay. Well, right now I'm having some lunch right now. It's lunchtime. I'm gonna be done around like 5 o'clock. I can probably get there between 5:20 and 5:40. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay. As long as you're in by 6 today, 6 p.m., I can definitely get you out of here by 7 p.m. with the rims and tires on the vehicle.
Are you telling me I'm gonna have the wheels today?
Oh yeah, no, for sure, of course. You get
Oh,
the rims
man.
and tires on your vehicle installed, bound out the door.
Damn, that's amazing, man. Yeah, I'll see you soon, man. Thank you so much.
Not a problem, sir. Thank you.
Bye bye. I called earlier today.
Yes, sir.
Sam?
You call it 12?
Yeah.
Around
there, man. Yeah, man.
Good. So you're looking for the bronze and black wheels, right?
Yeah, man. Those ones right there.
Right, man, let me show you.
Damn, these ones actually look better in person, man.
These are the ones, bro. So these are the FR4s. It's
Okay.
actually a two-tone color. So it comes in the matte bronze with the gloss black lid. Okay.
Okay.
And for your vehicle, we'd be doing 10.5s in the rear, and we can do the 9s in the front. Staggered setup.
So these ones right here,
These exact ones right here, yeah.
Damn, that's pretty sick, man. So I don't know if I'm gonna be approved, man, because
Let's get it started. Okay, so what's your name, sir?
Sam Matthews.
Sam? What vehicle do you drive, Sam?
It's a 2013 Honda Accord.
2013.
It's
You're approved.
a little bit wild.
What do you mean?
Let me check with the back.
Yeah, let's get it
See,
going. I need your driver license, ownership, insurance. I need a
Are you
voice.
serious, man?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Okay.
We can make it happen right now.
1 second, let me go check.
That's pretty tight, man. Oh god. All right, man. I got the paperwork in the car.
Perfect.
I'm gonna go grab that right now.
Yeah, man, grab it. It's
You sure, man? You're not playing anything? It's not a prank or anything like that, man?
100%, man.
But you don't even like do any paperwork or anything.
Oh
like
no,
that.
I
How
know
do you
you're gonna get approved. I've been doing this ever since I was 13, so we're good to go.
So what am I being approved based on?
It's based
How
on
come
the
you
va-
didn't do any credit checks or anything?
Yep. So it's based on the value of the vehicle. You drive a 2013 Accord.
Okay.
You're gonna get approved, guaranteed.
Really, eh? All right, man. I'm gonna go grab everything right now.